Why most beginners fail at affiliate marketing. Most beginners fail at affiliate marketing, and it's not because they're lazy or the industry is saturated. It's because they're doing the wrong things from day one. Here's the truth. Beginners jump in with no plan, chase dozens of offers, copy random strategies, and expect commissions to magically appear. And when nothing happens in the first week, they quit. Success in affiliate marketing comes down to one thing: having a simple, repeatable system. Not 10 offers, not 12 traffic sources, not watching new secret hacks every night. You need one niche, one proven offer, and one strategy you repeat until it works one. Pick a niche with real demand. Make money online, health, or relationships. 2. Choose one. High converting offer with good commissions. 3. Create short, valuable content daily on TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. 4. Build curiosity. Send viewers to your link. Let the system close the sale. This is what separates the beginners who quit from the beginners who start earning. If you want a plug-and-play system that gives you the niche, the offer, and the step-by-step strategy, check the link below. Stop guessing and start following a proven plan. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you like the content and want to see more shorts like this.